Okay. So that? Okay.
Freeze is awesome.
I've never seen it all the way through. I've seen the
Very hard question to begin with. What card's that?
King of Clubs.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How sure?
Very.
Would you place money on it? I won't ask you to say it, but if you ask, okay? Fair enough.
If we get that.
Without looking at it, what card do you have?
King of Clubs.
How confident?
100%.
Would you put money on it? Fair enough. You can check just to make sure. That's fine. Everybody else see that's actually the King of Clubs. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the King of Spades, which is obviously the closest card I can get to the King of Clubs. Yep. And we're going to start doing the gambling. Like so.
There was a whole pack of Rocky Bars.
Now, I don't know if you felt that, but I switched the cards. You can check just to make sure you've still got the King of Clubs, okay? And I'll actually show you what I did. Now this is what gamblers don't normally do, but basically, when I was going in, I stole your bottom cards, and now that I've got your King of Clubs. Yeah? You following? Everybody got that? So without looking, what card do you have?
I didn't sign up for those.
Without looking, what card? If I've got your King of Clubs.
Kate signed up for it.
The King of Spades. So the King of Clubs is now on top, and the King of Spades is on the bottom.
Right.
Would you be impressed if I could make the King of Spades go on top, and the King of Clubs to go on the bottom?
Yep.
Did you feel it? Did you feel it?
Oh man.
Come over to check.
Tom, this is awesome.